What if I told you that the beating heart of American trucking power, one that keeps freight moving coast to coast, isn't just a machine, but a mechanical legend? Meet the CAT 3406 Cambo diesel engine, rugged, relentless, and ready to take on anything you throw at it. Direct hit beat pause with high-speed footage of engine assembly. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know why the 3406 Cambo isn't just an engine, it's a legacy of torque, muscle, and unmatched reliability. And trust me, you don't want to miss the surprising twist at the end. Studio Microphone Act 2, The Meat. Fire segment title, Built for Brutality, Engineered for Endurance. Let's start with the basics, but there's nothing basic about this beast. The CAT 3406 Cambo is part of the legendary Caterpillar 3406 line, known for its ironclad performance in long-haul rigs and heavy equipment. With a displacement of 14.6 liters, it churns out up to 550 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 1,850 pound-feet of torque. Hourglass not done pattern interrupt. That's not a typo. That's enough torque to tow your house. And your neighbor's too. Wrench segment title, The Cambo Factor. Now you might be wondering what makes the Cambo version special. This isn't your grandpa's CAT 3406. The Cambo spec refers to a custom-tuned configuration that blends old-school mechanical simplicity with upgraded fuel mapping and turbo enhancements. That means power on demand, better thermal control, and diesel that stretches further. Thinking face pattern interrupt. Why upgrade your coffee when you can upgrade your combustion chamber? Articulated lorry segment title, Reliability on the Road. In a market obsessed with electronics, the 3406 Cambo remains partially mechanical. That's huge for owner-operators. Less electronic drama, easier roadside fixes, and longer service intervals. It's like having a V8 steak dinner, without the extra carbs. It's no wonder that drivers across Texas, Indiana, and California swear by the 3406C. Whether you're hauling timber, oil, or 60 tons of frozen pizzas, this engine brings consistent pulling power that lasts 500,000 miles or more with proper care. Hammer and wrench segment title, Easy to love, easier to wrench. Let's be real, downtime is a wallet killer. One of the most celebrated things about the 3406 Cambo, its modular design. Mechanics love it. Everything's accessible. Injector swaps, valve adjustments, turbo rebuilds. It's wrench friendly. Your local diesel tech might just start calling it their best friend. Studio Microphone Act 3, The Legend lives on. Loudspeaker sound build-up plus visual transition to trucks on the open road at sunset. Now, here's the twist, Caterpillar no longer produces highway truck engines. But the 3406 Cambo, it's still roaming America's highways, passed down, rebuilt, and even remanufactured with modern tweaks. Fishing pole cliffhanger tease. But there's one secret mod that turns the 3406 Cambo into a torque monster, legal in all 50 states and shockingly affordable. Want to know what it is? Subscribe and watch the next video where we reveal the underground mod shops making this engine outperform even modern emissions-heavy monsters. Clapperboard call to action screen, bold text with logo animation. Hit the like button if you're a CAT engine fan. Subscribe for more diesel legends, and drop a comment with your favorite diesel engine of all time. Who knows, we might feature it next. Direct hit final voiceover. This was your deep dive into the unstoppable CAT 3406 Cambo. Built for power. Loved by drivers. Feared by the competition.